The Mizo Student, the APAC student body of Mizoram, burned posters of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah in protest of their plans to scrap the Free Movement Regime (FMR) and fencing along the Indo-Myanmar border. They issued a statement expressing their objections to these plans. The student body burned statues of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah in protest against the potential end of the border fencing and the Free Movement Regime (FMR) with neighboring Myanmar. In the press release, the MJP emphasized that Mizo clans are dispersed across India, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and within states in India. They said that the borders dividing Mizos were imposed by the British without native consent, and Mizos have never accepted these borders in their hearts. It was further stated that the central government's attempt to end the FMR and implement border fencing is seen as detrimental to clan interactions, social affairs, and mutual assistance. They stated their regret over the Indian government's recent moves and declared their continued opposition to the move. The statement referred to Article 36 of 2007 United Nations Declarations on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples (UNDRIP), emphasizing the rights of indigenous peoples dispersed by international borders to interact and strengthen relations. It also highlighted the right to freedom of association in religious and social affairs, food, and politics. It was also stated that the authorities should consult with indigenous people to ensure the realization of these rights. The MJP has called on the central government to explore alternative methods for curbing illegal drugs and prohibited items without disrupting the border. Earlier, MJP had met with a requested action from Mizoram Chief Minister Lal Duhoma and Home Minister Sabdanga. Furthermore, MJP submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, providing copies to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Vice President and Union Home Secretary.